Welcome to Roam Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. In this video, we're exploring PeakPro, a website found at https://www.peakpro.com. PeakPro offers a unique service, the ability to quickly and easily record and share short video messages. This can be incredibly useful for a variety of purposes, from providing customer support to sending personalized greetings or even quick project updates. Imagine being able to respond to an email with a concise video message instead of typing out a lengthy reply. That's the power of PeakPro. The platform streamlines communication by allowing you to create brief, focused video snippets that get your point across effectively. This can be especially beneficial in a fast-paced business environment where time is of the essence. Rather than scheduling a meeting or writing a long email, you can quickly record a PeakPro video and share the link. This allows for a more personal touch than a standard email and often conveys information more clearly than text alone. The visual element adds a layer of engagement and helps to build stronger connections. Furthermore, PeakPro is incredibly easy to use. Its intuitive interface makes recording and sharing videos a seamless process, regardless of your technical expertise. It's a valuable tool for anyone looking to improve their communication efficiency and effectiveness. Think of it as a more dynamic alternative to email, especially for those quick questions or updates that don't require a full-blown video conference. It offers a simple and engaging way to connect with colleagues, clients, or customers on a more personal level. This concise format encourages clear and to-the-point communication, eliminating the potential for misinterpretations that can sometimes occur with written messages. Give PeakPro a try and experience the benefits of streamlined video messaging for yourself. You can find the link in the description below.